friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sonic and Tails split face, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing in a straight line in the middle. So we're going to start on the top and we're going to drag this line down in the center. Now below this, let's draw in a sideways oval for their noses. We're going to add in a highlight. So from the very top, we're going to draw in another sideways oval. And then now let's just color in the nose black. Let's continue the straight line through on the bottom. So coming underneath, let's drag the straight line down. Now let's draw in the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to tuck this line down, bringing that up and over to the left. And then we're going to round the edge out, curving this over, tucking this back into that line on the bottom. Let's come across for the opposite side for tails. So we're just going to curve this line down for the bridge of the nose. And then on the bottom, we're going to drag this line over, extending that up, ending these on a diagonal. Continuing this line above, we're going to round this out. So we're going to curve this down, up, and across. And then from that point, just drawing in a small diagonal line coming down. From that point, we're going to extend this further through to the bottom. And then we're going to pull this back up, tucking that into the middle. Let's draw another diagonal line coming down from that corner. And then we're going to tuck this in to the side. Now from here, another smaller curved diagonal line coming through. And then we're going to arch this over and in towards that chin. Let's come up in the middle for the mouth now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to continue to extend this up to the right. Let's add in a small corner bracket above. And then for the bottom of the mouth, we're just going to arch this over and into the center. For the tongue, we're going to curve this around and down on the side. Let's close off the eye here. So we're going to step up on the left-hand side for Sonic, and we're going to tuck this line down, up, and we're going to drag that over. Now on the edge, we're just going to round this out, curving this down to the cheek. Let's draw in the eye. So stepping in from the top, we're going to round this out, drawing in a nice big oval, curving this over and up. In the center, let's replicate that. So again, curving this around and back through. And then we'll add our highlight on the side. So we're just going to draw in another oval, tucking that up. Let's color in the middle. So the pupil black. Let's draw in Tails' eye. So leaving a small gap here, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, tucking this all the way around and down on the right. We're going to add in an oval further towards the side. So we're sort of going to connect it. So from this line, we're going to extend this oval around, curving this down and in on the bottom. And then right in the center, we're going to draw in another oval for the pupil. Now on the top, let's draw in another oval for the highlight. And then again, we'll just color in our pupil black. So let's move out now for the side of the face. So for Sonic, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up, extending that past the bridge of our eye. For the ear now, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, curving this over and down. Let's curve this up to our center line. Now for the inside of the ear, we're going to step up, leaving a gap, curving this over, leaving an even amount of space on the top as well. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in, following the shape of the ear on the top. And then now from that point, curving this around and down. Let's add in the hair behind. So stepping up, we're going to round this out, curving this over and through to the bottom. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck this in, curving that in towards the side of the head. Now from that point, again in the middle, curving this over and down on the bottom. And then from that point, just tucking this up and in for the chin. Now let's focus on tail's side. So his face is a little shorter, so we're going to come further down on this line. We're just going to draw in a small curved line. Let's add in the tuft of hair on the top. So we're going to drag this diagonal line up. And now from that point, we're going to curve this around and out. Now from here, we're going to curve this back into the middle. Let's drag this across. So we're going to curve this over and back down on the right. And then from that point, tucking this back up and in. Let's come down one more time. So underneath, we're going to curve this over and down towards the eye. And now from that point, just tucking this in and across. Let's close off the side of the face. We're going to step down, curving that up. And now let's draw in tail's ear. So on the bottom here, we're going to curve this around and through on a diagonal to the top. And now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and into the middle. Now right in the center, from that point, we're going to curve this out and down. We'll do the same on the right. So we're going to tuck this around and in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back up. Again, in the center here. So from that point, curving this in towards the middle. And then from that point, we're just going to drag this down to that corner on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Sonic and Tails split face. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.